A lot of our clients coming into the salon, they suffer from heat damage. In severe cases sometimes where they've overused the tongs and they have overly sensitized hair from colour. And in those extreme cases, we actually see a bit of breakage. The repair range is fantastic because the shampoo and the conditioner will strengthen the hair internally. The moisture range is also fantastic because what that will do is to really lock in the moisture and repair the cuticle. Two ranges that we would recommend would be repair and the moisture range. Normal to mild heat damage, we would recommend the boosters. In severe cases, when you have overly sensitized hair that's been treated with tongs and straighteners and you actually have some breakage due to the heated tools, we would actually recommend the SOS Extreme Recovery Treatment. Because hair is such a big part of someone's image, we then try to work with the client in terms of looking at different solutions on treatment services, but also again what sort of aftercare products they can use at home. So for all of our clients that suffer heat damage, we often sort of prescribe a styling sort of regime at home as well and what sort of products to use. In some cases, when we have a bit more severe heat damage, we would definitely use the split end repair cream as well.